What is up everyone, Spike Vlogs here and welcome today to another vlog. It's been a while, I know, I'm sorry, but I'm back again with some other vlogs. Today I'm actually gonna train on the home trainer and my sister is gonna run. I'm gonna be on it for a half an hour and I actually got a tan from yesterday's race because it was so hot. It was 30 degrees and there was a lot of sun, so I got a tan actually. You can pretty much see it. So another tan, and yeah, my shirt just stands in my arm. So as I said in the beginning of this vlog, it was really hot yesterday. It was 30 degrees, so it was pretty tough to race because of the heat. Your heart rate just keeps going up. Also, the normal people had to work outside, started at 5 AM and ended around 3 PM just to don't have to work in this heat. So pretty smart, and yeah, we couldn't do anything about it because we had to start at 3 PM racing, and in that heat it was just not normal. I had to take a drink every round and put some water in my neck. So thank you for the team to stand on the side with sponges too, and that really helped me out. So I quickly gotta go to my local bike shop because I ordered a piece of my bike. So this piece that connects your frame with your front derailleur broke for me. So I now got here my front derailleur, and I'm gonna place this part now at my local bike shop. So let's go with my bike. So that's also the reason that I've ridden with my Bianchi at the race yesterday, because of that piece that just broke off. So tomorrow it's gonna be another race with my Bianchi because I don't really trust it when it's new on the bike. And as I said, we have a new part. Don't race with it, just test it on training and then see how it goes. So almost there, and I hope it fits and that it's all gonna be alright. I'm so glad that my bike is back. So this is where I'm gonna end my vlog, guys. Thank you all for watching, and yeah, so glad that it was actually this part right here that had to be replaced. So thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys all at the next video. Peace. Maar dat dan het best wel die rechtstap in hebt. Waarom zit we hier? Ja, godverdomme gedachten. Ja, van dat rest even.
Take a breath and breathe. Inhale, exhale, this music all that I need.